Sweating, it's so hot. Bad. Solid. It's only the start of the day and I'm in the work in the shade. I am sweating. To be fair, this is quite thick and I don't know why I put it on. A bit stupid actually. Sometimes I surprise myself. I thought that they all needed fettling, but it's just one that needs fettling. They're all bang on. That one there. No, that one. My God, finger. That one there isn't perfect, so we're back in a mo. Look at that. Amazing. And then across, it's still bang on. Okay, so what I'm doing here is instead of putting the posts together and nailing them together, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a packer in between, which will make up that 148. So the bearer, that's it, bang on there. And the reason for that gap is so water can't sit on my bearer, it just runs in and through to the ground. Barrier. The X represents sunny side up. When you look down the timber like that, you'll see a hump in the timber, and that hump needs to go up towards the sun or the sky, sunny side up. And that's then when the weight there's a helicopter. The weight transfers down, it straightens out the timber. Up here for thinking, down there for dancing. Pretty good. I never fill up every single hole in any bracket whatsoever when it's going into timber. In fact, I remember when I was doing running an extension in the winter time last year, and we were putting the joist hangers on, and the building inspector came and he passed the not being every screw in every hole because he said it weakens the timber, and that's why I don't fill up all of the holes. dead easy. If you want to make everything quicker, I put my end board on and it's bang on straight. I know that because of all that it's in line with the end. What I've done is I've measured the boards at 122mm thick, add 3mm on the gap, and then measure however many boards you want going in between, and then ping a straight line. Once you've pinged that line, just line up the edge of the board with the line, and then chuck all your boards in between, and it should be bang on. It should. I did give you that information, so it just should be okay. Right, that is probably the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying this. I'm really excited to actually build this thing. And tune in for the next one. Next one should just be putting the walls up, doing the other floor, and then possibly building the entire balcony. And yeah, it'll be great. Anyway, tune in. Thank you.